Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful, fluffy and delicious vegan vanilla ice cream. To make it light, airy and easily scoopable, I'm using a gram of guar gum. This ice cream is completely sugar-free and so easy to make. Let's get to it. To flavor my ice cream, I'm relying on a beautiful Pompona vanilla pod, and I am going to link to it in the description below. If you can't find a vanilla pod this large, use the smaller ones. Slit it lengthwise and then scrape out the beautiful, fragrant seeds. Add the oily vanilla seeds to 400 grams of almond milk. I prefer to use an unsweetened almond milk. Use what's left of the pod to flavor a spirit drink or your coffee. In my bowl I have 120 grams of xylitol, and to it I'm adding a gram of guar gum. The guar gum will keep the ice cream fluffy, light and scoopable. Take the almond milk to the stove and on the smallest flame, heat it while mixing at all times to disperse the vanilla seeds throughout the liquid. Add the sweetener and the guar gum and keep whisking until you reach a temperature of 80 degrees Celsius. Immediately cut the heat and remove the pot from the stove. Pour the hot liquid over 500 grams of vegan whipping cream that's very cold. Now mix vigorously for a minute, and then it's time to give the whisk a little break and take the hand blender. Blend on a low to medium speed for a minute. All this mixing and blending ensures that the ice cream is as smooth as possible and that the guar gum doesn't form any lumps. Now cover the warm ice cream base with plastic wrap, let it cool down to room temperature and then refrigerate it for at least 8 hours. After 8 hours, it's time to churn the ice cream. So peel away the plastic wrap and then we're gonna have to blend it for another minute. You'll notice that the mixture is a bit thicker and shinier, and it smells amazing. Pour the vegan vanilla ice cream mixture into your ice cream machine and follow the manufacturer's instructions. Mine takes about 30 minutes for this recipe. In the meantime, I froze a glass casserole so the soft ice cream doesn't melt when I put it in. Look at that airy, light, fluffy texture. So beautiful. And to think it's 100% sugar-free and vegan. Amazing. Level this beautiful vanilla fluff with a silicone spatula and then cover it and freeze it for 6 to 8 hours. After this time has passed, the ice cream will be quite hard and it's gonna need about 10 minutes on the counter at room temperature to soften up a bit. Then take your favorite ice cream scoop and serve yourself with this indulgent vegan vanilla ice cream. And I'm still practicing my moves with this non-mechanical ice cream scoop. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, as you can well see here. So I switched to the mechanical one just to get a nice picture. I really hope you give this recipe a try and let me know in the comments below how it turns out for you. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thank you. See you next time, dessert lovers.